Tibet is in crisis. For over 70 years, China has brutally occupied my country, implementing the most severe crackdowns on freedom. Tibetans live under extreme repression, facing detention, torture, and even death for any sign of dissent. Since January, China has sent at least 500,000 Tibetans into military-style labour camps. In the words of the Dalai Lama, Tibet under China's rule has become hell on earth.
In East Turkestan, China has locked millions of my fellow Uyghurs in mass internment camps. Countless Uyghur women have been forcibly sterilized and children separated from their families. Our cultural and religious beliefs are under attack. The human rights violations committed by the Chinese government constitute a genocide. Simply being Uyghur has been criminalized.
In Hong Kong, China has ripped up agreements to protect civil liberties and political rights. The Chinese government has forced its national security law on Hong Kong, threatening brave Hong Kongers with life in prison if they speak up against the CCP. By undermining Hong Kong's special status, China has shown its utter contempt for international law and the Sino-British Joint Declaration.